Hello guys, so today we're gonna teach you how to change your TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. So first up, let's go open our TikTok app. Once here, just click here your profile, then click up here for your settings. Then click settings and privacy. Then let's scroll down a bit. Just click report a problem. Then once here, just scroll down to the bottom. So click submit report. Then here we're going to paste this following words. Then just edit the username that you want your account to be changed into. So let's type it out here. Once you're done, just click submit. And there you have it for changing your TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. So we're just gonna wait up for the TikTok to approve our request. So that's it. Thank you for watching.